Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to share a new method for treating plants suffering from rot and decay. This technique helps the plant recover, stimulates root growth, and supports year-round flowering and healthy development. Let's get started. After several days of heavy rain and high humidity, my orchid, which had just finished blooming, started showing signs of water damage. The stems began turning black and soft, especially near the base. That's a clear sign that rot is setting in. Let's go ahead and cut open the plastic orchid pot so we can check the condition of the root system inside. They've lost their firmness. Instead of feeling plump and springy, they're soft, mushy, and break apart easily when touched. The outer layer of some roots is peeling off, exposing thin, dark threads underneath. I'll start by removing all of the old moss medium and replacing it with fresh moss. Repotting like this gives the plant a brand new environment and, more importantly, it gives me a chance to really inspect the roots and treat any issues before they get worse. Moss is great for retaining moisture, which orchids love, but over time, it starts to break down. If left untreated, they can hinder new root growth. So, I'll trim away the damaged roots, helping the plant focus nutrients on stimulating new, healthy roots. Trimming old, worn-out roots not only relieves the plant from supporting weak roots, but also encourages stronger new ones. These new roots will absorb water and nutrients more effectively, aiding quick recovery after repotting. When the stem of an orchid starts to rot, it often leads to leaf rot as well. Next, I'll rinse the plant under running water. After trimming the damaged roots, I'll wash the entire plant under running water to remove any remaining dirt. This process thoroughly cleans the roots and base, setting the stage for the plant to adapt to the new medium. Prepare 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric is well known for its strong natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, which makes it extremely useful in plant care. 500 milliliters hot water. Soak it for 30 minutes. Use 2 rose flowers. Roses aren't just ornamental. Their petals contain natural compounds like antioxidants, mild antibacterial agents, and trace nutrients that can help improve the overall health of the plant. When processed into a solution, rose petals can gently support leaf strength and stimulate new bud development, especially when used alongside other natural ingredients. Place the rose flowers into a blender. We'll blend them to release the nutrients and beneficial compounds from the petals, making it easier for the plant to absorb when applied. Pour 500 milliliters of water. Filter the solution through rails. Remove the residue. After about 30 minutes, once the nutrients have fully dissolved into the water, then strain the turmeric solution through a fine mesh or cloth to remove any remaining residue. Combine it with the rose water we prepared earlier. This creates a gentle but effective nutrient blend that supports plant recovery, protects against rot, and encourages healthy new growth. Step 1. We'll use a soft cloth or cotton pad soaked in the turmeric and rose solution to gently wipe down the orchid. This not only clears away dust and buildup, but also opens the plant's stomata, those tiny pores responsible for gas exchange and photosynthesis. By doing this, we help the plant breathe better and absorb more light efficiently. Place the plant into the solution and let it soak for a while. Since the plant still has open wounds from the rot, the turmeric and rose compounds can be absorbed more easily through those areas. After 20 minutes, lift the plant out of the solution and let it drain thoroughly. Next, we'll apply a small amount of cinnamon powder directly onto the wounded area of the plant. Cinnamon is widely known for its natural antifungal, antibacterial, and drying properties, which makes it an excellent treatment for fresh cuts or rotting tissue. We're going to use a plastic bottle to create a simple humidity chamber for the plant. Cut off the top and bottom of the plastic bottle to create an open-ended base. Cut the bottle into staggered sections or slits. This design helps excess water drain more easily and also provides small support points to keep the plant upright. It allows airflow while preventing water from pooling around the base, which reduces the risk of further rot. Now fold back the cut sections of the bottle. This helps create a stable base and ensures the structure can support the plant without shifting. We'll use this as a base and place it inside a larger cup or container. Add just a small amount of water, enough to create moisture without submerging the roots completely. We'll pour the remaining rose and turmeric solution into a fine mist spray bottle. This method is especially useful for people who are short on time, but still want to keep their orchids healthy. Misting allows the plant to absorb nutrients through both the leaves and aerial roots, while also lightly humidifying the air around it, something orchids naturally benefit from. Since orchids are epiphytes, they thrive in environments with high humidity and good airflow. After 4 weeks, we can see clear improvement in the leaves. The color has become richer and more uniform, with a healthy green tone. The texture is firmer, and there are no signs of soft spots or yellowing. Looking at the roots after 4 weeks, there's clear evidence of recovery. New white root tips have started to emerge, which means the plant is actively growing again. We'll repot the plant using pine bark or any well-drained medium like coarse orchid mix, perlite, or lava rock. These materials allow good airflow around the roots and help water drain quickly, which is essential for orchids. Proper drainage keeps the roots from staying wet too long, reduces the risk of rot, and allows the plant to breathe and recover more easily. Now we'll add a thin layer of moss over the top of the potting mix and around the orchid's roots. This helps retain just enough surface moisture without making them medium soggy. Lightly mist the orchid to create a gentle, humid environment, especially right after repotting. Since the plant is adjusting to its new setup, maintaining moisture around the leaves and roots helps reduce stress and supports recovery. And that's it for today's Orchid Care Update. Thanks so much for watching and joining me on this journey to healthier, stronger plants. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip. Drop a comment below to share your own orchid stories or questions. I love hearing from you.